Today, the tide brings us back to the Crazy Mason at their new location here in Myrtle Beach, right beside Coastal Grand Mall. Stay tuned. What's happening, everybody? Beachin with the Boones, and today we're back at the Crazy Mason here in Myrtle Beach. Let's go take a look inside to see what they've done, what they've improved, and their menu.
Well, it's conveniently located right here beside the Coastal Grand Mall so that you can eat some ice cream and go walk it off.
Walk it off? I think I'll just sit in one of these chairs. Open daily, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Crazy Mason.
Right. Let's go take a look.
That might. Yeah, now we're here with who?
Renzo Gang.
Renzo Gang. Go check them out on YouTube.
Yes,
From Atlanta, Georgia.
Yes. We watched them all the time.
All right.
And when we was coming down here, I was on all you guys' videos just watching.
All right. Appreciate that.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Welcome to Myrtle Beach.
Yeah.
As we say, hey y'all, hey.
Hey. Thank you.
Your famous milkshake bar. We're gonna try something a little different. We're gonna try their crazy nachos.
Okay, so what is this called now?
So what we got was the Crazy Nachos, Reese's Nachos. And what it is their waffle chips with their Reese's ice cream, Cool Whip balls, and Reese's Pieces on top.
So instead of chicken and corn.
Instead of chicken and corn, this is some good, delicious stuff right here. Oh, and it's also drizzled with, it looks like chocolate syrup and caramel syrup drizzled on top.
Yum.
Great day. Oh, I guess this blows my diet. So here's your rent stations where you would bring your jar. And if you had your dessert plate, you're supposed to put it in there like I just did.
Like that.
There's your kitchen. And that's where all the goodness comes out.
Well, that was a look at the Crazy Mason here in Myrtle Beach at their new location right beside Coastal Grand Mall. Make sure you like and subscribe. Keep up with what's going on around the beach. You can keep eating ice cream and keep beaching.